Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer your XDC tokens from Crypto.com to Binance for better trading opportunities or portfolio management. Today, I'm walking you through this process step by step, so you can do it quickly and safely. Let's get started. First things first, before you begin, make sure you have a few essentials in place. You'll need active accounts on both Crypto.com and Binance, some XDC tokens in your Crypto.com wallet, and a basic understanding of crypto wallets. Also, double-check that you're using the correct network. XDC typically runs on the XDC network, so select that to avoid any issues. Step 1. Log into your Crypto.com account. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section and find your XDC balance. Click on it to initiate a withdrawal. You'll be prompted to enter a wallet address. Don't worry, we'll get that from Binance next. Step 2. Head over to Binance and log in. Go to the Wallet tab, then select Deposit. Search for XDC in the list of assets. Binance will generate a unique deposit address for you. Copy this address carefully, as it's case sensitive and any mistake could send your tokens to the wrong place. Now, back to Crypto.com. Paste the Binance deposit address into the withdrawal field. Enter the amount of XDC you want to transfer, making sure it's above any minimum limits, and review the network fees. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a final verification prompt. Double-check everything before proceeding. Once the transfer is initiated, it might take a few minutes to a few hours to process, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your transaction status using a blockchain explorer like XDC Explorer. Pro tip: always start with a small test transfer to ensure everything works smoothly. And there you have it. That's how you transfer XDC from Crypto.com to Binance in 2025. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so stay cautious. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.